Welcome to our exploration of a fascinating kitchen appliance, the toaster. Have you ever wondered what happens inside this everyday marvel? Let's break it down. When you drop your bread into the toaster slots, you're initiating a sequence of simple yet ingenious processes. First, you lower the lever on the side, which connects a circuit, allowing electricity to flow. This current travels through a series of thin wires, usually made from nichrome, a special alloy with high electrical resistance. This resistance is key because as electricity tries to pass through these wires, they generate heat, lots of it. That's why you see the wires glowing red inside. They can reach temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat radiates out to your bread, toasting it beautifully. Have you ever noticed a dial or button labeled with various settings? This controls a timer or thermostat. The timer determines how long the current flows through those heating wires. It could be as simple as a bimetallic strip, which bends as it heats and eventually springs back to break the circuit. More advanced toasters might use an electronic timer, allowing for precise control over your toast's darkness. Now about that satisfying pop. When the set time is reached, the circuit opens. With the current cut off, the wires cool down rapidly. Simultaneously, a spring pushes the platform on which the bread rests, propelling your crispy toast upward, ready to be enjoyed. Simple, yet clever, isn't it? Let's not forget the crumb tray, often found at the bottom. As your bread crisps up, tiny crumbs fall off, collected in this nifty tray. Regular cleaning is crucial to prevent buildup, which could pose a fire hazard. Modern variations of toasters add even more functionality. You might find settings for defrosting or reheating, or even slots wide enough to accommodate bagels. Some use infrared technology for even browning. While toasters may seem ordinary, their combination of simple physics and clever engineering makes them a staple in kitchens worldwide. The next time you enjoy that perfectly browned slice of bread, take a moment to appreciate the elegant simplicity inside your toaster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more insights into the science behind everyday devices.